All right, we got another one. This is the model 3585P, made in June 14th, 2007. A couple months after they started the Elite Series, after the Estate Series. So, there is the end panel. 3585P, it's hard to see, I know. Dual cap unit, just like the 3595P I've showed and the 3575P. There is the original, it'll focus, hold on, there it is. Part number for the board and date, 06 of 07. And I'm telling you folks, if you want to hear a quiet opener, this is one right here. Let me run it for you. Here we go. All you can hear is a little tiny bit of top bushing noise because I didn't pull this one apart and grease it. But as you can hear, this thing is quiet. I mean, this is as quiet, if not quieter, than a 1280R. Super quiet, super strong machine. I can guarantee you that this opener right here is quieter than any newer Chamberlain product, any newer Genie product, and quite frankly, any newer Linear product. And the list goes on and on. Deco, Guardian, all of them. This thing is quiet. Now, the iPhone doesn't give it a justice. It's going to sound louder on video, but I'm telling you in person, I mean, this may be quieter than a 1280R. This thing is super smooth. They were building them right back in these days. But I pulled this one out of storage. It's a used unit. I got it on eBay years ago. I don't think it came with lenses because the lenses that were on it when I pulled it out of storage were mismatched used ones that were stained. So I bought a pair of brand new lenses from a garage door company. So they are LiftMaster genuine lenses and with the proper large slits in them. So it has brand new lenses on them, but other than that, it's got a few scratches on the bottom of the case, but otherwise it's in mint condition. As you can hear mechanically, it's in mint condition too. Very beautiful example of one of these. And it's an 07 machine. These are kind of special because the 07 ones were the first year of them in the Elite Series line, which came with the 398LM and the 373P 3-button proximity remote control. But anyway, I just thought I'd share with you. Got another one out, got it running, polished up, looking good. Sounds great. Have a good one.